Hey everyone, welcome back. Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have the Madstad Ultimate Front Bumper with Grille for the Polaris Slingshot. If you're looking to give your Polaris Slingshot a facelift, this mod may be right for you. We've partnered up with Madstad Engineering to bring you a US-made all-aluminum front bumper for the Polaris Slingshot. This bumper is 100% bolt-on and features integrated LED daytime running lights for a unique look that increases visibility. The bumper is made to order and can be completely customized using our free online design software at slingmods.com. The builder allows you to select from any OE Slingshot paint color and customize things like bumper color, grille style, grille color, and more until you find the color combination that's right for you. So now follow me as we walk you through the installation process. Start by connecting the center sides to the center plate using 3 screws per side with the washer and nuts on the inside. Next, attach the center mounting plates, but leave the screws finger tight so you can adjust the positioning once mounted to the slingshot. Now you can connect your left and right bumpers to the crossbar, with your screws going through the bumper and crossbar first, with the washer and nylon nut on the inside of the bumper. Once you have them all in and even with each other, you can go through and tighten them all down. Now you can mount your center assembly to the bumper assembly. Insert the remaining 4 bolts from the outside in, then put the washer and nut on, and leave finger tight for now so you can make any adjustments once on the slingshot. Now remove your stock bumper by unscrewing these bolts here. And then slide on your new Madstad bumper using the 2 new top bolts from the kit and reusing the bottom bolt but adding the new washer from the kit, and tighten everything down while making any little minor adjustments along the way. Now you can install your grille with the remaining 4 screws and plastic washers, and be sure not to over tighten. This will now give you a chance to tighten down the other 6 bolts we left finger tight and make any final fitment adjustments to get everything lined up. Now Madstad has included an OE style plug to integrate your LED lighting strips with your factory Polaris fog light harness. However, there are a couple things worth mentioning if you plan on using this harness. Polaris only included the factory fog light harness on the 2015 to 2017 model slingshots, and although Polaris provided these fog light harness plugs, they did not activate the power to them, so if you plan on using the fog light plugs, you'll also need our fog light relay harness to activate the circuit. Lastly, please bear in mind that the fog light harness will only have power when the headlights are in the on position, so if you're running our headlight on-off switch, you may consider pulling power from an aftermarket fuse block. Since we're installing the front bumper system on a 2018 Slingshot, which no longer includes the OE fog light harness, we won't be able to use the handy-dandy OE style plugs that Madstad has provided for us. So we'll have to run some primary wire from the lights to a fuse block, cut the connectors off the Madstad front lights, followed by stripping the ends. Then connect the red to red and black to black using butt connectors. Then wrap your red wire and butt connector in electrical tape separately before taping it all together in the loom for safekeeping. And then you can repeat the same process for the other side. Then combine the passenger side and the driver side by cutting into the first strip, followed by stripping the ends, then take the red wire from the passenger side and the red wire from the driver's side and crimp them together on one end of a butt connector. And then do the same for the black wire. Now take the black wires and connect them to the one black wire from the other end of the strip that we just cut that's running up to your fuse block. And do the same for the red wire. Then wrap your red wire and butt connector in electrical tape separately before taping it all together in the loom for safekeeping. And then finally, you can connect your black ground wire to the fuse block, followed by your red positive wire. Now make sure you go back through and zip tie any and all loose wires up and out of the way. Now that's it, folks. You've successfully installed your new Matt's Dad front bumper. Now if this mod seems right for you, you know what to do. Head over to slingmods.com today and grab one for yourself, and let us know what you think of the online builder in the comment section below. I'm Brandon, signing out. Keep on slinging.